morning, we are getting authentic Malaysian breakfast at the KOPITIAM that only a local knows.
Then we'll get prawn fritters, half the size of my face, and crunchy.
Hi, it's Sarah from New Malaysian Kitchen. Today we are at one of the most popular KOPITIAM in Kuala Lumpur.
It's called Thong Kee and it's just 20 minutes away from KLCC.
Have you been here? Once a day. What does it look like? What is that called? Fast food shop. Look like McDonald's, right? Yeah. This is like local McDonald's.
Can you see McMuffin? I'll tell you more later. They have their menu on the screen and you'll have to order from the counter.
Typical one is not like this. They come to you and then you order.
193.
We'll order 8 food and drinks for breakfast, and the first is kaya butter toast.
It's toast, Hainan bread with butter and kaya inside. Sorry.
Kaya is a traditional jam made from coconut milk, eggs, sugar, and pandan leaves.
Enough kaya inside now. Yeah. They put a lot of kaya there. Butter.
Two pieces of toast cost 220 ringgit.
Besides getting it toast, you can also get a steamed one. This is wholemeal bread. Yeah.
Want a slightly healthier version or have sore throat? You can try
Healthier
this.
option. Want to try? Yeah. Soft. Yeah, this one I can really feel the kaya oozing out.
While I normally prefer crunchy toast, this time I find this soft and fluffy bread with good amount of kaya superior. Next is their Otak-Otak Croissant.
This is their specialty. You can't get it at other kopitiam. Otak-otak inside. Otak-otak leh. Yeah.
If you want to know more about Otak-Otak, check out this video after this.
It's spices mixed with fish paste.
Malaysians love adding extra heat to our food. This chili sauce is to squeeze over our Otak-Otak fish cake. Everybody enjoys the combination of buttery crunchy croissant with spicy otak-otak and fried egg.
Good. You like it?
Makan.
Why?
Cuba dulu. How's it?
Crispy otak-otak McMuffin.
Next, we're having soft-boiled eggs the Malaysian way. Crack eggs into the bowl, scoop everything out with a little spoon, add some pepper and soy sauce, and then mix it up.
How do we eat it, Mommy? You just swallow. You can slurp it if you want. How? This is a more gentle way of eating it, like scoop by scoop. But some people also... How, Mommy? Try.
Check out this video if you want to see how Malaysians make soft-boiled eggs every time.
Look at the yellow yolk. Yep. I normally don't eat like this. This for you.
This kampung soft-boiled eggs cost 280 ringgit. Coming up is Malaysian coffee.
I'll introduce you to a few types of coffee that you can get at the kopitiam. We've got Neslo. It's a mix of coffee and Milo or mocha.
To make this drink, add generous amount of Milo into a mug, pour in boiling hot water, add coffee, condensed milk, and mix well. Lastly, pour into a glass filled with ice and serve immediately. Then we have
Cham. Yin Yang.
This drink is a combination of coffee and tea, and my mom likes it gao or strong.
Fast or not? But I prefer Neslo because I don't like too much coffee. What kind of coffee do you like? Let me know at the comment box below.
They also have delivery service. I'll tell you more in a minute. If you're not a fan of bread, you can order Teow, Malaysian fried flat rice noodles. In it, you can find ingredients like cockles and prawns among other things.
Prawn is very succulent, I'm surprised. Okay.
As I teach this dish at my cooking class, I asked my mom to compare.
You prefer my char kway teow or this one? Thật đâu chili, yours is the chili.
Cái không có lạc kìa, nhiều khá lạc kìa.
While we like the flavor, everyone is of the opinion that the char kway teow is not spicy enough. So you may want to ask them to add a little bit of chili into it. This modern kopitiam sells good local food and is as efficient as a fast food restaurant. So if you stay in Kuala Lumpur, you could order their food and have them delivered to your home.
Order something.
So many choices, but this is what I'm going to order.
Like awesome.
While queuing up, we saw something that we want to buy.
Mom wants kaya. You want to buy? Yeah. Okay.
You can get kaya for 450 ringgit. They sell eggs, bread, and curry puffs as well. This is inspired by McDonald's. Stay till the end to find out if it's any good.
Off now today, all the shops.
They're off on Monday.
Monday, okay.
Tips from my mom: don't come on a Monday as all the stalls are closed. And these are the two things that she would reorder.
Cham, I prefer Cham lah. And your bao, what is that? Croissant.
Now we're getting another street food snack. Stay tuned. This unknown roadside stall is only 15 minutes away from the KOPITIAM earlier.
My mother's gonna introduce a snack to you. What is that? Cucur Udang. Yeah, 點解係試賣嘅？喂，好食咯。Where are we now?
We passed by a roast duck stall and we heard that it is quite good. We are finally here.
We're at Salah South. Opposite that petrol station, there is a Cucur Udang place.
We found that they use a variety of vegetables normally not seen in a traditional prawn fritter.
So how many you want to buy?
One of each? How many types do they have?
They have 3. One is sweet potato, chives, and carrot and prawn with prawns. Okay, crispy. Okay, and then what else? This one is sengkuang, chives, pumpkin, carrot. There's a vegetarian one as well. Pumpkin, sengkuang, onion, and carrot. Ooh, so interesting. I've never seen Cucur Udang with so many different things. 點賣啊？3蚊一隻，3 ringgit each。3蚊雞有3包。呢個審呢個冇椒鹽啊，椒粉。應該審個冇，唔係有醬嘅咩？有醬，呢個好啊，加俾你哋嘅。好啊，咁咯，香啲嘅。哦，香啲嘅。哦，咁樣㗎。哦，咁樣我好食啲啊。哦。
Okay. I can't find the exact name and address of this place, but
it's opposite the new Phoenix restaurant.
I also found their phone number here.
Got some Cucur Udang. Oh, really cool now to eat.
Let's try this copy of McMuffin.
You know what this is?
Candy.
Have you tried this? Nobody wants to eat this, so I'm going to try this alone. This I would try once, but I still prefer local breakfast like kaya toast. Now it's time to eat our Cucur Udang or prawn fritters. And naturally, we'll eat it with chili sauce. First, we're gonna try the non-crispy Cucur Udang. Because it's so big, we have to cut it into smaller pieces so that it's easier to eat. The difference between this and the crispier one is that it's breadier and has pumpkin inside, giving it a unique, earthy, sweet taste.
What do you think of the price? 3 ringgit for one big piece.
One piece. Quite okay that they give you a big prawn and then big piece as well.
Normally it's considered
Yeah,
expensive,
expensive,
but
yes.
because the size is big and there's a lot of ingredient inside, so my mother says acceptable.
You can't eat prawns? This is for you.
The chili powder on top gives it extra flavor, especially for the vegetarian one. So it's not bland.
好咗之後，即係 chili powder 上去。
So
椒鹽，佢話我平時喎 nice 啊。Normally people don't put that.
Lastly, the crispy prawn fritters that I look forward to most.
cut it into small pieces. Ooh, wow, crispy.
Crispy,
Of all 3 of the Cucur Udang, I like this crispy prawn one most.
Look how big this prawn is.
Will you buy again?
Can buy again? Why not? Why not? Because we get the usual one also 160 for one. Is not very big, and then it's not as big as this one. It's not as tasty as this one. Very crispy.
Check out this playlist for more street food. Check out this place for more street food. No. Check out this playlist for more street food. Check out this playlist for more street food. Yes, very good. Okay, thank you. Bye. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. It's okay.
Very hot, 34 degrees.
Unless it's kampung egg, we would not order this soft boiled eggs because we really can taste the difference.